guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tega Clifford, and if you're a new subscriber, I'm saying kisses to you guys. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're a former subscriber, oh shimbom shimbom, thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I mean, please, please begging, please just click at the button down below. It's just there, just to welcome and it will click. Alright, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you really like it. So today I'm just going to be showing you what I have for you. You know what I'm saying? So let's just get into the video. I tried to do my brows off camera because I was finding it very difficult to get my brows, but I finally was able to finish it up. So I'm just going to go straight to my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using my Zikel contour kit in light brown. Yeah, so I feel like today is a different day because I'm talking in my videos. Normally I just play some music, background music, or do a voiceover because I find it very difficult to talk and do makeup at the same time. But then today, oh Joe, you should just hear my voice. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to use it as my transition color so that my eyelid doesn't look too plain. So I'm going to go in with my Ever Beauty powder, face powder. I prefer to do this because it just blends very well and gives me that nudie look that I want to have. I'm sure you are wondering, as this girl not done a lot of nude, what is she doing today? Be patient, you're gonna see it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I'm just gonna blend. Blend, blend, blend. You gotta blend. I finished blending. I'm using my Huda Beauty black eyeliner. So if you're wondering what I'm doing, not everybody gets a perfect sharp line or a perfect draw. Someone like me now, I don't have straight hands, so I have to use concealer to adjust it small, just thinning it. I like my highlight. Using my NYX liquid illuminator to give me that internal glow. So I just did this eye with my glitter, my glitter blue, royal blue glitter. I'm just going to do this one. Yeah. So my lashes is on, so I'm going to be using my Kiss Beauty lip primer. So guys, I'm going to be using my LA Girl HD foundation. I like how the foundation sits on my face and I get my perfect color. Using my foundation brush from Bobbi Brown to blend everything. The next thing I'm going to be using for my face is my Sacha buttercup. See, I look like Ojuju Calabar. So I'm just gonna contour my face with my Zikel contour kit. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows So I'm going to be using my Zikel light brown for my nose. Control my nose. So I'm going to be using my blue eyeliner for the under of my eyes. It's time to So I'm going to be using my BMPro Blush to blush up. Some people say they can do without blush. I can't do. I must blush my veins. It gives me that ice cream color. You know what I'm saying? Strawberry, chocolate, hands, vanilla. The next thing I'm going to be doing, I have like itchy throat and I don't know why. It's annoying. I'm going to be using my Anastasia glow kit as usual, and I'm going to be using it in the vanilla color, you know, so that everything will look like ice cream. Yeah. Can't you see? Woo! Did somebody call the glow police? Because I'm gonna get arrested if I keep on glowing like this. I'll take my strawberry again and just blend. Can you see? Chocolate, strawberry, vanilla. So it's time for me to do my lips. So can you guess the color I'm about to use? Of course you can't. I know some of you will say it's nude. And I'm a bold. It's not nude, Jerry. It's a different color. So I didn't put it well, so my concealer is going to do the rest. So I'm literally done my makeup and this is the look I decided to go with. I hope you can see it very well. I have to increase my light so that it will reflect on my face. So I decided to use it's a different and unique lip color that I have had for almost a year now and I have never used it. But then today I'm feeling very bold and strong and confident, so I'm going to go outside like this. So let me just, you know, wrap up my hair. So guys, I'm back. Yeah. So this is my finished look and I really like how it looks. I don't know why. So you know the things. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I don't know what language that is in, but I'm just in a very happy mood. I'm really excited. Anyhow, I talk too much and I know. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video and just click on that button, please now. So I'm going to leave everything I use at the description section box, whatever it's called. Sacha. Today is a blue day. I'm gonna be blue like my wall, like the sky, and like my lips. Bye.